Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Ruchi's Teaching. This is Ruchi here. Today in this video I am going to explain about references of MS Word. In references, I'll be dealing with table of contents in this video. In my previous video I have explained about page layout, and in this video I'll be dealing with table of contents. Actually these references, can you see here, I have opened the MS Word, and here today I am going to explain in this video about references. In references, actually this is part 6 video. So under part 6 I am going to explain references of MS Word, but it consists of many groups: table of contents, footnotes, citations and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities. So it takes lot of time. So what I am planning is I will explain this. I will divide these references into 3 to 4 parts. Like one will be table of contents and other will be I'll mix both footnotes and citations. So like that I will do 2 to 3 videos of references only. So today in this video I would like to explain on table of contents. Now before explaining table of contents, I would like to explain what is the purpose of using table of contents. For example, you all might be knowing about the books, textbooks. When you open any textbook, any subject textbook, when you open it, you will be seeing in the first page index, or you can call it as contents. That means what all contents are there in that particular textbook. Those are written in the form of main headings. Like for example, in every subject, lesson name will be there, and accordingly lesson starts, and it takes 2 to 3 pages, and it completes, and then it goes to new lesson, second lesson, next for 2 to 3 pages. So here what we are showing in this is we will use that particular lesson name, and we will be showing the pages, how many pages or in which page that particular lesson is there, right? So now today I am going to explain how to create that contents on the system through MS Word. So for that you have to open references. Like already I have opened references. See, references I have opened, and now we are in table of contents. Now in table of contents, can you see table of contents box is there? That button is there, add text, update table. Now I will be showing how to add a table of contents. Can you see here, add a table of contents to the document? That means already I said you what is the purpose for the table of content. Purpose is just to view the contents of that particular book or of that particular document, right? For that what you have to do is, first only you have to create some pages in the Word document. See, I will show you. I have created. For this first page you have to leave. See, I left one first page. This is second page. In second page I have already written some matter. Third page. See, this is third page, and this is fourth page, right? Now what I will do, I will show these pages content in one page. All these 4 pages content by using their headings in first page. That means in that, suppose if you want to go to first page, you have to click on that page number, whichever so and so page number. Like that you can create the table of contents. In first page you have to create the table of contents. So for that, first page should be empty, and the other pages. Now we are coming into the second page, where I have created heading as C language, and I am holding it, and I am going to heading insert, in home tab it will be there. See, can you see here, I have selected that C language, and I am selecting some heading style. Now I will select this style, right? Now this is the heading, and if you want to increase the size of the font, you can increase, right? No, that means in C language you have some options like encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism. I have just used simple things, only little one I have used. For example, I am taking like sample I am using. For explanation purpose I took this. And now in second page, now just this computer parts I have taken it as heading, and go to heading 1, click there. You have got the style, heading style there. Now again just increase the font here. These are the things under computer parts, right bro? So now see, okay, next third page. See, Microsoft Office. Under Microsoft Office, these are the things situated, right? This is the heading. Okay, now again I will increase the font style, size. Okay, now can you see, this is the Microsoft Office is the last page where you have under Microsoft Office you have 4 options, right? Next page is under computer parts. You have computer parts is heading, and those are the topics under that, right? And this is a C language. These are the encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism are the topics under that. Now what I am showing is, I will show C language, Microsoft Office, computer parts as a table of contents in my first page. Now for that what you have to do is, just go to the references, click on, come to the first page, give a click on it. Now click here in a first page, you be in first page. Now next go to references and then select a table of contents. In that select first one, right? What happened when I have selected first one? Can you see here contents? It is showing C language. Under C language other topics are there, computer parts. That means in 3 pages 3 topics are there, that is C language, computer parts, MS Office. Now suppose if you want to go to so and so particular page, what you have to do is hold control on the keyboard. I am holding, and keep your mouse pointer on that particular page number. See, I kept. So the moment I have holded the control key on the keyboard, what happened? The mouse cursor, my pointer has been changed to hand. Now I am clicking on it. What happened? It will go to that particular page, right? Now again if you want to go to any another page, just go back, come to the first page, contents page, again give. Now I am keeping my mouse pointer here like this. What is happening? It is just showing cursor, like cursor, but I want it to show like a hand. To show like a hand, then only you will enter into that particular page. So first keep or press or hold or control key on the keyboard, then keep a mouse pointer on it. So automatically that has been changed to the mouse, hand sign. Now give a click on it. See, when I am giving a click, it will enter into that particular page. It's going? Okay. So in this way you can enter into that particular pages through the table of contents. That is the usage of this. Now here can you see add a text? What is this add a text? Now first go to the first page. Actually the meaning of itself, that particular word itself, you can understand something, adding some text to that these contents. Now you can directly go, see it is showing do not show in the table of contents. It will not show in the table of contents. That the change will be shown in the pages, right? Next, update table. Suppose if you want to update any page here, any topic with some pages, you can use this update table, right? Okay, with this I have completed the table of contents explanation. So please, if you have still not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it, share it and like it. If you have liked it, like it. Okay then, thank you, bye bye.